up, you guys? I'm Creeper here, and outside it's actually raining. Huh. California has a strange way of doing stuff. Like, it's thunder and lightning out there. It's like kind of creeping me out, cause like I don't know why it is. It just is. It's actually really nice to have some rain. I hope it rains tomorrow too. Like, it's all wet outside. Can you see the drops? I don't think you can. It's like through glass, so okay. Glass. Let's see if we can catch another thunder. Oh, did you see that red thing? I don't know. It's like a car. Never mind. Let's see. Can you see anything out there? Let's just wait a couple more seconds, minutes maybe. Another one will come. Oh, you hear that? There it is. Sounds like something like roaring like a lion. It's so nice though. I like it. Like, I'm a little nervous, but I like it. It's so cool. Like, two thunder strikes ago, or two thunders ago, it was like 10, 20 minutes ago, I saw a flash of light come in from the window. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.